What if I told you that even after a hurricane, even after a disaster, your employer still has to follow the law before making you redundant? And yes, that includes your notice, your consultation, and your redundancy payment as set out under Jamaica's Employment, Termination and Redundancy Payments Act. So if you or someone you know was recently laid off after Hurricane Melissa, let's walk through exactly what should happen, what to expect, and how to calculate your redundancy money. First, let's clear up a myth. A hurricane by itself does not automatically justify redundancy. But if the hurricane causes major structural damage, loss of equipment, a temporary closure, or a permanent reduction in operations, then your employer may lawfully declare positions redundant. But they must still follow the law, even after a storm. Under Jamaican law, redundancy is a process, not a surprise. Your employer should 1. Consult with you or your union before making the final decision. 2. Give proper notice based on your contract or the Act. 3. Provide a written letter stating your position is being made redundant. 4. Pay all redundancy entitlements on or before your final working day. 5. Pay all outstanding wages, vacation pay, and benefits owed. If these steps didn't happen, your redundancy may be procedurally unfair. To qualify for redundancy pay under the Employment, Termination and Redundancy Payments Act, you must have at least 2 continuous years with the employer, be a permanent employee or treated as permanent, have your position genuinely abolished or reduced. If you've been there less than 2 years, you may still get outstanding wages, vacation pay, benefits, notice pay, but not the redundancy lump sum. Now here's the part everyone wants to understand. How much money should you actually get? Under Jamaican law, Step 1, first 10 years of service, you receive 2 weeks pay per year. Step 2, every year after 10 years, you receive 3 weeks pay per year. Step 3, weekly pay calculation. Your weekly pay equals your last normal weekly wage, basic plus regular allowances, not including overtime. Example 1. You worked 8 years and earned $20,000 per week. Calculation. 8 years times 2 weeks equals 16 weeks pay. 16 times $20,000 equals $320,000 redundancy pay. Example 2. Worked 15 years at $18,000 per week. First 10 years, 10 by 2 weeks equals 20 weeks. Next 5 years, 5 by 3 weeks equals 15 weeks. Total equals 35 weeks times $18,000 equals $630,000. And remember, this is separate from any outstanding pay or vacation money. Some businesses affected by Hurricane Melissa may close temporarily, close permanently, reduce staff, rebuild with fewer positions. Even in those cases, redundancy payment still applies if you qualify. Your employer cannot say, "Hurricane like we have no money, so no redundancy." That's not legal. If your redundancy was sudden, unfair, or looks suspicious, here are your options. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. Ask to speak with an industrial relations officer. File a complaint under the Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act. Seek help from your union, if applicable. If you were made redundant after Hurricane Melissa, request your letter. Check your years of service. Calculate your correct redundancy amount. Ensure you receive notice pay, if applicable. File a complaint if the process wasn't done fairly. This is a stressful time, but you still have rights, even after a disaster. And you deserve to be treated fairly under Jamaican labor law. If this video helped you understand your redundancy rights after Hurricane Melissa, hit like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who was affected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.